Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm your host for today for Beauty and Food, and I am Nelly. So, today we're here at Ampang, Taman Watan, and we're actually trying out some satay and char kway teow. So, char kway teow is basically noodles, and satay is skewers of meat. So, we're at this place called Ilsea Satay, and it has been around for approximately 20 plus years. It's been around for a long time, so it's pretty good, according to the locals. So we're gonna go check it out soon, and yeah, see you guys in a few minutes. Alright, so my food is here. Amazing. So, starting off with this, we actually got 5 sticks of chicken and 5 sticks of beef. The darker colored one is the beef, the lighter colored one is the chicken. There is a side of, again, the rice cakes. There is some bawang, onions, some timun, which is cucumber. And over here, we have char kway teow. In the char kway teow, there is noodles. I think it should be rice noodles. Prawns, some garang. Garang is actually like, what's it called? Clams. It had clams in it and some bean sprouts. So without further ado, I'm gonna start off. I have yet to take my fork and spoon, so I'm gonna start with the satay first. Okay. Oh, it smells really good. So, what's special about satay is they actually use a peanut sauce, a condiment that's made of peanuts. It's supposed to be a bit spicy and sweet. Let's try it out. Oh, it's really hot. It's still really hot. But this is really good. You know how when you buy satay, sometimes it's really oily? This isn't. This is fine. So, I'm gonna have a bit of the rice cake as well. To me, the best part about satay is the sauce. And what's nice about this is their sauce is actually still warm. So while you're eating this, which is cold, the moment you dip it in, it gets a bit warm. It's perfect. Because I'm eating so much that my hands are eating. Alright. There's still another type of satay, which is the beef satay. I'm gonna put the stick right here. So the beef smells equally as nice. Gonna try it out. Let's see if it tastes as good as it smells. Smoky, nice satay. Again, like I said, it's not too oily. There's not a lot of the fatty parts of the meat. They give really nice meat, which is something I like. Some people enjoy like the oily parts in satay, but I like the meat the most, which is what I'm getting right now, so it's perfect for me. This is our char kway teow. As I've already mentioned, there's noodles, there's garang, there's prawns, and if you can't see the prawns just now, here it is. It's decently big. It's the size of my eyeball, bigger than that probably. Let's go. Okay. I'm gonna get a bit of everything. I'm gonna get a bit of the garang. And I'll try to rip out a tiny bit of the prawn so that I can have everything in one bite. Okay. Really smoky. Really smoky. It's not too spicy either. The garang is quite fresh. I can feel it being chewy in my mouth. Okay. The prawn I can't really tell because I didn't get that big of a bite out of it. But I'm gonna try right now to get a bigger bite and tell you if it's fresh as well. Okay, I'm gonna eat a bit unattractively. I hope you guys don't mind, but it's fresh. The meat just comes out from the shell from biting it. I don't even have to peel it off. It's good, it's fresh. So starting with the satay, both of it's nice, both of it's great. It's not too oily, has a nice smoky smell to it, and it's not burnt either. Like, although it's a bit black here and there, but it doesn't, you can't taste the suit, which is a plus always. Rice cake is nice. I'm happy with their sauce. It's really sweet. I'm not a fan of having sauces that are too spicy because I feel like the spice overwhelms the original taste. So this is just right. It's still really warm, so that's another plus point for them. So satay for me is 10 out of 10. I have nothing to complain about it. This, personally, I'm not as big of a fan of char kway teow itself, but this is shocking to me because I actually quite like it. Everything is fresh. There's veggie, there's seafood, there's noodles. It's a balanced meal. To me, it's a balanced meal. So there's nothing to complain about this. It's pretty great. Really big portion, if you can tell. It's a huge portion. So overall, this is a great place. It's value for money. It's yummy. It's delicious. You guys should totally come here. And if you're here, ask for the satay. It's good. Trust me. Believe me. I don't lie to you. So that's it for beauty and food. I hope to see you guys again. Goodbye.